Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to open and close pocket watch open face case, one of the most common types used in pocket watches, and one that often raises the most questions among collectors about how to open it to view the movement. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. To identify an open face case, first check if the case has 2 notches along its side and 2 hinges at the bottom. Let's go ahead and open the case covers. As you can see, both the top and bottom parts have small protrusions to make opening easier. Use a small pocket knife and apply gentle pressure to open the cover. For the inner cover, the procedure is the same. Closing the covers is simple. Just close them and press gently until they fit into the main rim of the case. Be careful with the front cover and press gently to avoid damaging the glass.